The winds on Neptune reach incredible speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's nearly 3 times faster than a commercial airplane. At the moon's south pole, temperatures plunge to an icy negative 424 degrees Fahrenheit, potentially making it the coldest place in the entire solar system. Saturn, the gas giant known for its iconic rings, is so low in density that if there were a pool large enough, it would float on water. Jupiter's moon Europa is encased in a thick shell of ice, and beneath that lies a vast ocean, potentially as deep as 60 miles. Water ice, once thought to be rare outside of Earth, can actually be found across the solar system, even in unexpected places like Mercury and our moon. Saturn's stunning rings are composed of debris from a moon that was torn apart by the planet's immense gravity. Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus also have rings, although they pale in comparison to Saturn's grand display. Incredibly, even some asteroids have rings. There are 8 confirmed planets in our solar system, but mounting evidence suggests the possibility of a 9th, yet to be discovered. Comets may have brought organic matter to Earth, as scientists have found traces of such material on several of these celestial travelers. Saturn has a long-standing storm, much like Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but what makes it truly unique is its hexagonal shape, with 6 distinct sides. Mercury and Venus stand out as the only planets in the solar system without moons, while Jupiter boasts 92 known moons. The largest, Ganymede, is bigger than Mercury itself. Once thought to be a belt of stars, we now know that the Milky Way is actually a spiral galaxy, twisting beautifully through space. Footprints on the moon will remain intact for millions of years, as there's no wind or weather to erase them. Theoretical physicists believe in the possibility of white holes, the reverse of black holes. While nothing can enter a white hole, light and matter may escape from it. Neptune's moon, Triton, is the only known moon that orbits its planet in reverse, and its odd behavior remains a mystery. Although space holds trillions of stars, only a tiny fraction are visible from Earth, due to the vast distances between them. Pluto's moon, Charon, is so large relative to its host that the two bodies actually orbit a point outside of Pluto's surface. Only about 4% of the universe consists of planets, stars, and galaxies. The rest is made up of dark matter and dark energy, both of which remain enigmatic to scientists. On the exoplanet TRES 2b, the night never ends. It's not a starry, peaceful night, though. It's pitch black and blistering hot. Its surface absorbs almost all light, making it darker than charcoal. In the star system 55 Cancri, there's a planet, 55 Cancri e, where one side is perpetually covered in molten lava, while the other side remains in eternal darkness. Between these extremes lies a thin strip of twilight, a place of eerie calm. On the exoplanet HD 189733b, it rains glass, not vertically but sideways at speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour, driven by winds faster than anything we've seen on Earth. Pulsars like PSRB 1257+12 slowly destroy the planets that orbit them with intense electromagnetic radiation, eventually reducing these planets to nothing. Kepler 70b, once a gas giant, survived being engulfed by its star during its red giant phase, but now it's one of the hottest planets ever discovered, hotter even than the surface of the Sun. As we speak, Mars is home to 6 active exploration missions, meaning the red planet is essentially inhabited by robots, exploring its dusty surface. If the Sun were the size of a front door, Earth would be the size of a nickel. Over 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Moon's slow erosion rate, about 0.04 inches per million years, means that the footprints left by Apollo astronauts could last for 10 to 100 million years. Jupiter's moon Io, nearly as old as the planet itself, is one of the few places in the solar system with active volcanoes, so powerful they can be seen from Earth with telescopes. Neutron stars, the remnants of supernovas, can rotate up to 716 times per second. The sheer speed and intensity of these cosmic objects are mind-boggling. Although space is filled with stars, Many of them are so far away that their light hasn't yet had time to reach Earth, leaving large patches of space in apparent darkness. Saturn's moon Iapetus is split into two striking halves, one light, one dark, and scientists are still puzzled as to why. If you lined up all the planets of the solar system, they would fit between the Earth and the moon with room to spare. NASA has converted radio waves, plasma waves, and magnetic fields into sound, allowing us to hear